Hello, this is Tamara Evans, Digital Services Librarian at the Kings County Library. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the ValleyCat online catalog to find OverDrive eAudiobooks and how to check them out online and listen to them through your computer. Before we begin, you want to make sure you have your Kings County Library card number as well as your 4-digit PIN number available. If you've forgotten your PIN number, you can call your local library and the staff will be glad to help you get your PIN number. To begin, we want to go to the library's website, which is located at kingscountylibrary.org. From here, we're going to move over across the page until we see the word catalog and then click on it. Once we arrived at the ValleyCat homepage, then we're going to type in the title of the eAudiobook that we're looking for. So for this tutorial, we're going to look for Where the Crawdads Sing. Type in the title, and then I'm going to click the orange search button, like so. And then we'll see how many results come up. So as we can see, a total of 12 results came up. Again, since I'm looking for an eAudiobook, I'm going to go to the left side of the screen here and click Format. As we can see, it shows eAudiobook, eBook, Books, Large Print, and Sound Recording. So then from here, I'm going to check the box in front of eAudiobook and then click the Include button, like so. And that's going to reduce the number of results from 12 down to 4. Now, as I said before, I'm looking for an OverDrive eAudiobook. So as you can see here, I can determine which one is OverDrive because it says MP3 and then OverDrive Listen. There's also an option through Cloud Library as well, and you can see which one is which by looking at electronic format. So this one is OverDrive since it says OverDrive Listen, and this one is held in our Cloud Library collection. So if I wanted to download the eAudiobook from OverDrive Listen, I'm going to click the button here where it says Download, and then this will open up a box where I can type in my library card number, which I'll do now. And then my 4-digit PIN number. And then after I type those two pieces of information in, I'll click the Login button. And then as you can see, it gives two options, an MP3 option or the OverDrive Listen option. So I'm going to select OverDrive Listen and then press the blue checkout button like so. And then as you can see, it's going to open up the eAudiobook in a separate tab. So now I will be able to listen to this eAudiobook on my computer. In addition, I can also download the free OverDrive app through my App Store, and when I log in with my library card number and PIN number, it will show me that I've also checked out this eAudiobook, so I can listen to it on both my computer as well as on my smartphone or my tablet. So now I have the book downloaded. So let's just look at some different features here. So here on the top right, this will speed up the narration. This changes the screen. So just click on that. Bookmarks, and then this actually shows the different chapters in the book. So let's play so you can see what it sounds like.
Penguin Random House Audio presents Where the Crawdads Sing by Delia Owens.
So as I said before, you can speed up the narration. So I'll just show you what that sounds like.
Part 1. The Marsh. Prologue. 1969. Marsh is not small. Marsh is a space of light.
Then, as I said, you can also click here, and so this will actually move you further within the story. And then you can use this to bookmark any particular place in the audiobook that you see fit to do. So if I wanted to make sure that I downloaded this eAudiobook to my account, I can click on the first tab, like so, and then go to the My Account option on the ValleyCat website. and then under checkouts, there's two different tabs. Digital checkouts are for items that you check out, ebooks or eAudiobooks that you check out from OverDrive or Cloud Library, while the library checkout tab is for physical materials such as books, CDs, DVDs, magazines. So if I wanted to see whether or not I checked out this eAudiobook, I can click where it says digital checkouts, and as you can see, it shows the title of the eAudiobook, the format of the eAudiobook, and then when the eAudiobook is due. So in the event that I decide I want to return the eAudiobook early, first I'll close the tab out for that title like so, and then I can check the box in front of the title and then click here where it says return item, and it will give me another opportunity to decide whether or not I want to return the ebook, and of course I do, so I'll press yes. And since it's a digital item, as soon as I confirm that I no longer want it checked out to my account, it will automatically be returned. So now it shows that I have no digital titles checked out. And now that I'm finished accessing my ValleyCat account, I'll make sure that I log out, which will return me back to the ValleyCat home screen. This concludes the tutorial showing how to access and check out OverDrive eAudiobooks on the computer. Please make sure to follow the Kings County Library Facebook page, as well as subscribe to the Kings County Library YouTube channel for more tutorials similar to this one. Thank you and have a good day.